How to fix Canva slow loading problem. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. So in order to fix your slow loading problem, first of all, make sure that you are connected to a very strong Wi-Fi or internet connection. Head over to your search browser and type in my internet speed test. Test your internet speed. And even so, if your Canva is not loading, then it might be causing due to uncleared cache. Click on the three-dot icon of your browser. Here, click on to Settings. Click on Privacy and Security. Here, click on Delete Browsing Data. Here, only check cached images and file. Once done, click on Delete Data. And once you do all that, again refresh your Canva page, and that shall fix your problem. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe.